Welcome to this MachineBuilder Quick Tips video on connecting and disconnecting parts. To connect a newly inserted component, first select it from your parts library, then hover over the location you would like to attach it to. From here, use the arrow keys on screen or on your keyboard to cycle through the available orientations. To confirm your selection, click on the check mark or the Enter key on your keyboard. To connect existing components, you can first hold down the left mouse button near the desired connection point on the first component, then drag the selected components towards a secondary connection point. Then, using the arrow keys on screen or on your keyboard, you can cycle through the available orientations. Again, use the check mark or the Enter key to confirm your selection. To disconnect components, first select the components you would like to disconnect, then right-click on any of the highlighted components and select Detach from Assembly. This will detach it from the rest of your assembly, allowing you to move it to another location in your design.